Hey guys, today we're reviewing something a little special. It is the Sennheiser surprise box, and as you can see already from the title, it is the Sennheiser HD 450. So 11/11, also known as Singles Day, is a day where there's huge online shopping deals and originating in China, and soon it exploded to parts of Asia as well. So as far as I know, Lazada is one of the first few that started with these surprise boxes, which cost about $29, which you would in turn get about $100 worth of products. After that, other online retailers started replicating this idea, and Sennheiser was one of these companies that have joined in this good fun. This surprise box is not as cheap as the one that is on Lazada, but since I'm such a fan of Sennheiser's products, I just had to try it out. So I received the special edition version of this product, and it comes in a more environmentally friendly packaging, which I am very impressed by. So the special edition version also boasts the black trimmings instead of the silver trimmings, which I personally prefer. It gives you a low profile using it indoors, and it is mainly constructed of plastic, which makes it pretty lightweight, coming in at just 238 grams. These pair of headphones are able to fold up, which makes it super easy to carry it around. It also comes with a carrying case. It is nothing that fancy, but it'll do its job. The ear cups are plush, but its comfort level is just okay. After a long listening session, my ear started to hurt a little, and it is more of an irritating discomfort more than anything else. Sennheiser's version of active noise cancellation is known as Noise Guard, and it is pretty decent. It does a pretty effective job at reducing ambient noise while only producing a faint hiss. It also sounds pretty detailed. The bass is pretty strong, while the mid-range and the high range is pretty neutral. However, to me it lacks a little bit of clarity. Overall, it does manage to handle a wide variety of genres. So it comes with a 2.5mm to 3.5mm jack, which allows you to use it as a wired headphones as well. You will be able to turn on Noise Guard if you have sufficient battery, but it will work without it as well. It definitely has some flaws to it, like its less premium build quality. However, considering its price tag, it is a relatively affordable option compared to its rivals, and it does perform well with a wide variety of genres as well. If you're out there looking for a pair of wireless active noise cancelling headphones without breaking the bank, this should be one of your options you should consider. So the other thing that came in the surprise box was this small little keychain which models after the HD 450. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and feel free to leave a comment down below.